Xsara Picasso. Question is how to raise the window. This one is not raised. I can put my hand out. That one is raised up. And to raise them or lower them, you can use these two buttons. This one for the left window, that one for the right front window, because the rear ones are mechanical on this model. You have to rotate that one. Okay, but if I press this, the top or the bottom, nothing happens. So how to use them? I press that one, nothing happens. Up, nothing happens. Well, you need the key, insert it there and turn it. Okay, and then on the dashboard you should see at least this battery warning that something is using the battery, and then you can use it. This one works by single press, so if I press once the top of the button, the entire window will raise to the maximum up. If I press it once on the lower part, it will totally go down. The other one is not working in the same manner. The signs are different also. This one is working only till you press the button. So if I press it for a short period, it is working for a short period only. Same thing with up. Okay, but the next one, I press this once and it fully closes. I press it once again and it fully opens. Okay, so to stop it you need to press it just once more. So I'm going to raise it, press it once more, and it stopped. Press, 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 press. First press starts it and the second press will stop it. Okay, and if you remove the key, then you have to wait a few seconds. Till a few seconds the window will still work, but after those seconds will pass, the window will not work anymore. So it's still working. You should hear a click sound, a relay should close, and after that it won't work anymore. Still working. Now there was a click sound, and now it's not working. It's not going up and it's not going down. The window is opened. Turn it and you can even get it out and you can close the window. So if you activate it just for a moment and remove the key, it's still going to work for a few moments.